प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने बाल पुरस्कार प्राप्तकर्ताओं से वोकल फॉर लोकल अभियान का समर्थन किया, जहां कर्नाटका से 2 बच्चों को बाल पुरस्कार के लिए चुना गया है, जो बेंगलुरु के शाहिद फतीना अहमद और दक्षिण कन्नड़ की रोमना परेरा है। इन दोनों ही बच्चों को आर्ट एंड कल्चर फील्ड में उनकी उपलब्धियों के लिए सम्मानित भी किया गया है।
I felt very honored to represent India in the field of Western classical music, and for the awards I felt very excited to be there.
Namaste, I am Ramonavet Pereira from Mangalore, Karnataka. Today I have received Prime Minister Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Gaurav Puraskar 2022. It was a very honorable moment. We have been trying for this award from past 5 years. There were many competitors on our way and there were many problems also for this award. But luckily this year I had been selected for this award in the cultural field.